So this is brand new material, so we want to make sure we're listening and paying attention. All right, so some of you have seen this representation and asked me about it. And it is called, and you're typing this in, and capital letters don't matter. Oh wait, that's not spelled right. It's called function notation. All right, so this right here is function notation. And the way you read that, or the way you say that, is we call that f of x. Okay, so you're typing that in. So when we read this, we don't say f parentheses x, we say f of x. Okay, and so function notation, okay, something that looks like this, basically gives equations their specific name. Okay, so from 8th grade, you probably remember seeing equations that start with y equals. Like it may say y equals 3x plus 5. Well, in function notation, that equation that starts with y equals now might start out as f of x equals, and for it to be the same thing, you just put the back part the same. Okay, so basically what we're saying is, instead of a plain old y equals equation, now we're giving it a name f of x. Sometimes I'm silly and I'll say, okay, that's Freddie's equation. Okay, so what if you see something that says g of x equals 2x plus 1? Okay, sometimes I'm silly and I say, oh, that's Gregory's equation. All right, so if you have something that's already in function notation and you want to move it and write it in y equals, all you're doing is changing the very beginning. So y equals 2x plus 1. Okay, so what we have in this row is the same. This is the plain version, y equals. But if I said, look at Gregory's equation, you would know to look right there. Okay. Now, another thing that I haven't mentioned yet is basically that this, here we go, sorry, I'm choosing a color here. So I have y equals 2w minus 5. Notice that's different than all these other equations that I've used an x in. So we are naming this equation with a specific name of h. I may call that Henrietta's equation, okay, h of, and the letter that's inside the parentheses actually represents the letter where we would be, here in a minute, we're going to be inputting numbers in for. So notice that this equation has w's in it, so this will be h of w. Okay, so that's saying that equation h is going to have w's over here in the output side.